this is SabaRiaz. In this video, I am doing a soft peach makeup look that is equally good for fall, winter and Thanksgiving. I have already moisturized my face. The primer I am using here is from e.l.f. Cosmetics Poreless Putty Primer. I love this primer and use it for myself as well as for professional use. This one is the color correcting concealer wheel from Root Cosmetics. I am using just a tad bit to color correct my eyelids. This shade is similar to Creaseless TV pen sticks in shade Chinese. As you can see, I am applying with fingers. This is a good way to melt the waxy products into the skin. Next, I am using Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer for priming my eyelids. Applying like a technique that I always prefer to do. By the way, the headscarf I am wearing in this video is made by my mother, and the other I had worn in previous videos. Today I am using another way of doing my eyebrows. This is Inglot Brow Pomade in shade 21. First I am outlining my brows. Then I will fill the sparse areas. Always take care while carving the brows because the brows makes huge difference. Now I am showing you a technique that is very hype these days. Cleaning and defining the brows with the concealer. It works perfectly for bridal eye look. It's really a dramatic way of defining the eyebrows. Surely not meant for daily wear looks. Now blending the concealer with small fluffy blending brush so that no sharp edges left. The powder here I am using is from Mercier translucent powder. This powder is on top of the list of my some favorite loose powders. For peach eye look, the palette I am using here is from Ucanbe, Twilight and Dusk palette. It is somewhat deep for Huda Beauty Desert and Dusk palette. Using soft peach color from the palette for the crease, blending it nicely. I want soft color, so I am not depositing more shadow. Again using Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer for cutting my crease. Applying it carefully with small strokes. Softening the edges with matte peach shadow. Applying soft peach shimmery shade in the inner corner of the cut crease. First I am applying with the pencil brush. Then I will build the intensity with my fingertips. Now I am picking up the copper shade, placing it at the outer corner. Now spreading the peach shade all over the lid with my fingertips. Warm fingertips helps the shimmer eyeshadows to show its full payoff. The highlighter palette I am using here is from Makeup Revolution Soft X highlighter palette. I mostly use this palette because it has quite a good range of shades. It has high color payoff with finely milled shimmer particles. Highlighting under the brow arch. Again using my color correcting concealer wheel from Root Cosmetics for under eye correction and for the areas where I need correction. Applying and blending it with my fingertips only because it's a waxy product and works best this way. For eyeliner application, I am using my favorite Focallure pen eyeliner. Its precise tip makes super easy for me to apply eyeliner in no time. Doing tight line on the upper waterline side by side. Making a small wing at the outer corner just to lift my droopy eyes. As we all know, the winter and the fall looks must include radiant finish foundations. For this purpose, the foundation I am using here is one of my favorite, Mercier Candle Glow Soft Luminous Foundation. You see, I am warming the product at the back of my hand. It has soft, moussey and creamy texture. It has amazingly blendable formula and perfect for dry and mature skin. It is quite hydrating and gives radiant finish and works best in the winter and autumn too. You can notice it's looking like my second flawless skin. For radiant finish, I will use mostly cream products here. So for contour, I am using Makeup Revolution's Cream Contour Palette. Applying with fingertips on the areas where I need to contour. Now blending it with my Damn Beauty blender. Using upward motion. I am mixing 2 shades of concealer for my under eyes. Just applying small amount. I always mention every product's name in the description box below. I started blending concealer from the inner corner to cover the shadows, then applying on the sides of the nose just to brighten the whole area. I always avoid using powder setting in the winters. Setting sprays works best in winter to set the foundation. Again using cream highlighter from the same contour palette for the whole face. I am using again Damn Beauty blender for the application. For this particular look, blush should be cream too. I am using Luscious Cosmetics Blush Crushed Lip and Cheek Tint. I love this blush because it gives very healthy and youthful blush. You see, it's sitting beautifully on top of the foundation. Using NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk for waterline. Then I will apply peach eyeshadow over it. Doing under eye with peach eyeshadow. Applying champagne color highlighter in the inner corner of the lower lash line. For lip contouring, I am using YSL lip pencil. It's very soft pencil and glides very easily. The liquid lipstick I am using here is from Dominic Cosmetics. This is shade 838 Tangelo, beautiful rosy coral shade. It has richly pigmented creamy formula that glides on the lips like a dream. Now giving some ombre effect with Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in shade Trendsetter. Now giving some sun-kissed look with YSL bronzing powder. Let's finish the look with some Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This time I am not applying fast flashes. Instead I am using lash curler to curl my lashes. Now applying some coat of mascara. Mascara that I am using here is from Maybelline. So here is the finished look. If you like my videos, please show me some love. Do take very good care of yourselves. Bye.